Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the Halo, the Master Chief dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully we will be able to kick some alien butt next to the Master Chief, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 lime wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur yellow wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side just like that. Now you want to jump on up, grab your lime wool, and then place 1, 2, 3 lime wool, and then you want to place 1 yellow wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down. You want to do the exact same thing on this side, so 3 lime wool, and then 2 lime wool in the middle, and then 1 yellow wool on the edge. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down, and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic, glorious frame you have just created. Wow, now it's time to light this baby up with your flint and steel. Wow, that looks so amazing, guys. That would make me want to scroll on down, hit that big, red, bright subscribe button so I could stay up to date with all the latest and brightest Minecraft videos that Smooth Marky makes. But whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Is this the Master Chief spaceship? Oh my god, guys, and look at those guns he got. Wow. You know he means business when he has those kind of guns, guys. Like that definitely, that screams like, stay away from my spaceship. They don't even mess around with my spaceship. But let's go ahead and let's see if we can find the Master Chief himself. He has to be somewhere on this absolutely humongous aircraft, guys. What do you think, Pig? Where's he at? We gotta find him, guys. We definitely have to find him. He has to be somewhere on this spaceship kicking alien butt. Hopefully you don't see us as an alien start trying to kick our butt, because that would make me very sad, guys. And oh my gosh, whoa, right there he is. Oh my god, let's go ahead and talk to this guy. Wow, I am such a huge fan of yours, Master Chief. And oh my god, what happened to you? Whoa, did those aliens beat you up? Oh my god, guys, they cracked his helmet. He looks good all over, but his helmet, for some reason, his helmet is cracked. Wow, I cannot believe that, guys. I cannot believe they just went up to a man and hit him in the helmet and cracked it, guys. That is so sad. That is so sad. We will have to get our revenge on these alien dudes. And you know how I'm going to do it? I'm going to look around for them. Because first I have to find them before I can beat them up, guys. Like, that's just common sense. But whoa, is that like a spaceship added onto his spaceship? Or is that still the same spaceship? Like, this thing is absolutely humongous. I gotta wonder, though, if it actually has an inside. Like, if there's actually any inside guts to this thing. Like, is there, like, any beds or, like, motor or, like, what's keeping this thing up in the sky? We're about to find out, guys, because I'm going to blow this TNT up, and then I'm going to look down inside the spaceship. Hopefully the Master Chief does not beat me up for this one. You're okay with that, right, Master Chief? Yeah, I think he's okay with it. So let's go ahead and let's see what's inside the Master Chief spaceship. Hopefully we do not run into any of those aliens, guys. And whoa, it looks like a prison. Oh my god, guys, I think this is actually like a prison. Whoa, this is obviously where they keep all the bad aliens, guys. Oh my god, I didn't even think of that. I would have never even thought of that, guys. Like, whoa. The Master Chief must be working on, like, a whole different level than me, guys. Because I would have never, ever thought of that. Actually, to be honest, I just thought that it was probably empty on the inside. Like, I wasn't even really expecting anything. But for there to be a prison inside there, that's pretty cool, guys. That's pretty cool. I think I have a couple people that I play Minecraft with that I'm going to need the Master Chief to come down on and, you know, get in his spaceship. And oh my god, where did he go? Whoa, there for a minute. I thought he jumped off, guys. I'm like, no, not Master Chief. But he is still alive, guys. He is still alive. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to scroll on down and smash that thumbs up button. Also, make sure to leave a comment. And most importantly, make sure to scroll on down and hit that big red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.